guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be unboxing a Hot Wheels, don't know what this place is, oh, a Loop Star. So it's actually a little piece I asked for it, and yes, I did get this in one of my collections, so I thought it would be cool if we unboxed it. We do get a car, but yeah, so let's unbox this thing. Tell me what I should unbox next, or like what should I get. So yeah, here I guess, and that, I'm not sure, let's just open it this way, if you can, do that. Or just tear it, there you go. Oh, so we're not seeing the box anyways. Oof. What about this? There. My couch, alright. So we have two orange track pieces. We have this little thing, I think it's like the bottom of the loop. Hot Wheels logo on it. We have whatever, like. Alright, well I got the car. Here we have this. This is the booster, I guess. Yeah. Alright, sorry guys, and yeah, so that's it in here. Some of you guys probably say, why did I unbox this? Well, I thought it'd be fun, I guess. So, yeah. And I guess it should be in the collection, but I thought it'd be fun to open it. So we have this cool orange car. Like the detail. Purple and orange. Purple rims. Nope, okay, just killed the car now. You over there. Yes, really love this car. Really cool. Yeah, and I think I have other cars in my room, like loose ones. So yeah. Let's get this track started. Wow, I don't need directions. I'm smart enough to do this by myself, I think. Alright guys, I got it. I didn't know what to do with this. I thought like you put it on like right there, but apparently you slide through there. And I guess we'll just put the card there. And if you do this. Wow! Yeah. So, Jesus. I don't know if like I want to break it. What the heck, man? What is this cheap thing? Wow. That is sweet. What the heck? Am I using it right? Pretty damn sure you just put it right there and then. Let's try backwards. That might work, right? This works, I'm gonna laugh. Nope. Hey, it landed. Well, I'm gonna go see if I could get another car and do this. You booped it. Haha. Alright guys, this is what I could find. Like it was right on my desk where my TV is. So I just got this. It was a NASCAR driver. It has rubber tires though. So I think it's too fat. Oh god. I don't think it's not gonna work. We could try. That was horizontal, like up there. Well, I guess I don't have any else car for this. Okay. So, brother. Is this what you do? Alright, whatever. I give up. But yeah. So that was a Star Loop unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Tell me what I should box next. Like, actually, I'll go show you guys. So I unboxed this police set. It's a little car in there. I might actually want to keep that though, like just like that, because I do like it. Hopefully, my old boyfriend, we will build this. Probably, hopefully, dang it. Hopefully we can do it on camera. And this thing, I want to keep this in the box too because I like it. But I think we might put the track up there if it fits. Or should I unbox like maybe two of my little Hot Wheels down here? So you guys tell me in the comments below. I don't want to unbox these because I do like them how they are. But if you guys really do want me to unbox them, I will unbox them maybe. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next video.